5 Incredible Benefits of Impressionistic Painting. Art enthusiasts, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into the mesmerizing world of art and exploring the 5 incredible benefits of Impressionistic style of painting. But before we jump in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated with our artistic journey. Now, let's get started. Segment 1. Expressive Freedom. One of the key benefits of Impressionistic painting is the expressive freedom it offers to artists. Unlike rigid forms, this style encourages bold strokes, vibrant colors, and a sense of spontaneity. It's about capturing the essence of a scene rather than focusing on minute details. Segment 2. Emotional Impact. Impressionism is a powerful medium to evoke emotions. Through blurred lines and harmonious color palettes, artists can convey a wide range of feelings. This emotional impact resonates with viewers, creating a unique connection between the artwork and its audience. Segment 3. Play of Light and Shadow. Another fascinating aspect is the emphasis on the play of light and shadow. Impressionistic painters masterfully use light to create depth, bringing their canvases to life. It adds a dynamic quality that draws the viewer into the scene, making it feel almost tangible. Segment 4. Timeless Aesthetic Appeal. The timeless aesthetic appeal of Impressionistic paintings is undeniable. These artworks effortlessly blend classic and contemporary styles, making them a perfect fit for any decor. They have the ability to elevate the ambience of a space and become timeless conversation pieces. Segment 5. Personal Interpretation. Lastly, Impressionism allows for personal interpretation. Viewers are encouraged to engage with the artwork on a subjective level, finding their own meanings and connections. It fosters a unique and personal experience with each painting. And there you have it, folks, the 5 incredible benefits of Impressionistic style of painting. What's your favorite aspect of this artistic movement? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Until next time, keep embracing the beauty around you through art.